What's up everyone, welcome back to Key2 Blogging, and today we are going to see how you can use a slider like this. So here it is fully responsive. So let me switch to mobile, and this is how it looks in mobile devices. Now let me increase the width, and this is how it looks in tablet, and it will looks in bigger tablet, and this is how it looks in desktop. So let's check how we can use it in our Blogger website. So for this, let's go to Blogger, and let me go to one of the pages here, and let me create a new page. Let me switch to HTML view, and I can paste a code like this. So here we have the image URL. So you can replace your image URLs, and you can replace your names and designation. So here we have name and designation, and we have the image. That's it. So you need to change all these values for all your team members. So this is the first team member, and this is the second team member. So all these team members are there. So if you want to add more, then you just need to copy this list. Just copy it and paste it like this. Now let me hit publish, and let's confirm. All right, let me click on view. So first of all, we need to fix the image. So let me click on inspect, and here the theme has the image height set to auto. So we need to make it important like this, and we need to find this team card team image. So let's go to the page, click on teams, and let's search for the CSS code, and here is the height, team carousel, team card, team image, and here is the height 140 pixel. Let me set a important here like this, and we don't want the background of the body, so we just need to remove that. So let me remove all these values. All right, now let's update and see. So let me refresh it. All right, now it is looking quite good. So we need to add a subtle background color for our cards. So let me click on inspect, and here we have the list. So we need to change the background color a little bit like this. Team carousel, team card. So let's go to edit, and here is the team carousel, team card. So we need to change the background color a little bit like this. Let's hit update. All right, we need to fix one more settings. There is a dot showing off like this. So let me click on inspect, and here the theme is adding list before element. So let me copy this, post body list before. Let's go to edit, and let me add it like this. And here, instead of post body, we need to copy the team slider. Colon, none, and we can add a semicolon like this. Let's add display none. Let's hit update. All right, now it is fixed. So this is how you can fix issues if you have your theme elements interfering with the slider. And let's test it on mobile devices. And this is how it looks on smaller devices. Let me reduce the size. All right, it is working fine, and we can change this color as well. So let me click on inspect. Let's select the team image, and I can change this background color. Let's say I want to set it as red. Then I can just go to this CSS rule and change the background color here. and here the border radius is set to 50% and height is 148 pixel. Let me change that to, let's say, 150 or 170 pixel, and let's set the width to 170 like this. And we can also change the width of the image. So let me change the width of image to 160 like this. So you can further tweak the image size, you can tweak the styling of your text and the description. So you can, instead of adding a founder, you can add a brief description about your team members. So you can do that and it display a slider like this. So let me know if you have any issues, if you face any issues during implementation of this slider, then you can ask me in the comment section and I will include the link of this code in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.